Bahurania. A tale of three daughters-in-law sharing different backgrounds. The family is an upper-class joint family living in Ahmedabad. Their individual lives pass through distinct ups and downs as they share different equations with their in-laws and other members of the family. Keeping alive their personal interests, the daughters-in-law tackle day-to-day affairs in their own way and manner and manage to fight for what is wrong and prove themselves worthy of the place they have in the Ghiwala family. The daughters-in-law attempt to maintain peace in the family, but face numerous challenges from both outside and within the family, particularly from their respective mother-in-law, whose selfish behavior threatens to destroy the family.
गीला का जाल ही ऐसा है कि मछली अपने आप आकर उसमें फंस जाती है। हाय मेरी रानी मुखर्जी, तू तो गई काम से।
Within the seriousness, there's a great deal of comedy, making the show appealing to a wide audience. The Ghiwala family lives at the Mithiba mansion, named after the eldest member of the family, Mithiba Ghiwala. A total of 4 generations stay under one roof. And that's the obvious reason for the complications that the family goes through. Mithiba has a son, G Kaka, and daughter-in-law Sunanda. G Kaka has 3 sons, Manhar, Kanti and Hari, who are married to Indira, Kokila and Bhavna. His grandchildren are also living with them, but they have their own lifestyles, passions, likes and dislikes. The 3 boys amongst the grandchildren are Samir, Mahesh and Ranjit, who play a vital role in the entire scheme of things. One fine day, G Kaka decides that the family needs some shaking up, and he does the most unexpected thing.
तीनों लड़कों को कई बार कह चुका हूँ कि अपने अपने लड़कों के लिए लड़कियाँ ढूंढ लो, पर अब तक किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया। पर मुझे पता है कि अब क्या करना है।
He calls for a family gathering and tells all his 3 daughters-in-law that the 3 grandchildren have to be married together on the same day.
तुम्हारे सबके बेटों की शादी अलग-अलग नहीं होंगी।
This took the lot by shock, but that was not the only challenge. The 3 daughters-in-law would have to compete in finding the right bride for their respective son, but on a tight timeline. Because the first daughter-in-law to find a perfect bride would win a gift amount of ₹5 lakhs sponsored by G Kaka himself.
तीनों में से जो सबसे पहले बहू लाकर देगा, उसे मैं अपनी बचत से 5 लाख रुपया दूंगा।
We can only imagine the drama that now takes place.
शर्त जीतनी है तो सबसे पहले इनको दूर रखना होगा ना।
नादान की नादान ही रहेगी। कितनी जोर से सोचती है। कोकिला से कुछ सीख।
ये भावना तो फिर भी संभल जाएगी, पर इसे जरा नचाना होगा।
Tensions rise, mistakes happen, yet a sense of love, affection, understanding and dirty politics all surface to spice up the story of these 3 wives, mothers, mothers-in-law and most importantly, daughters-in-law. The story of Team Bahurania. Only on ZTV.